Hey guys, this is Anas Tarek. Welcome back to another interesting video. Today's video is very interesting because today I'm going to show you a shortcut key that can open Google Chrome easily without mouse. So before I start, make sure subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for my latest update. If you did already, thank you so much. So let's get started. First of all, right click on Google Chrome, then go to properties. Then here is few tab, but click on shortcut. It already on shortcut tab. Then here is shortcut key. Here is nothing selected, but you can click here and assign any of word like Y or C. I'm selecting C for Google Chrome, so it automatically create Control plus Alt plus C. So it will work when you press at the same time Control Alt plus and C, then it launches Google Chrome. So then apply. Okay. Right now Google Chrome is closed. I'm going to open Google Chrome using shortcut key Control Alt C, then open Google Chrome. So here it is. So you can assign any of word, but I'm using C, launching Google Chrome. So if you have any questions, please let me know in comments. If this video did helpful, please thumbs up and share my video. See you on the next.